This is the box. They're the HCX 165 Coaxial Hertz speakers. Got a bit of a description here. Tells you the specs. Ooh, there you go. Pause it if you want. Some random foreign language. On the back, it's got a little cutout diagram, so you know. Yeah, let's jump inside the box and see what we got. We have a manual. In the manual, we don't need that. This is what you are after. So you take it out of the cellophane. Voila. What do you think of that? Very heavy for what they are. Little tweeter, subwoofer. Tweet tweet! And
Bob's your uncle.
what's the back of it? Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. That's the speaker. Goes nicely in this little cardboard box. And you get a little packet of screws and stuff with it as well. More videos to come. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Stop laughing.